Hi guys, so I actually made a video on my channel previously about how you can use CapCut Pro in groups. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving the video up here. So in case if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. So on in that video, I actually spoke about how you can use CapCut Pro in group. I mean group of 10, group of 8. So this is a new update, and so many people are interested. Okay, so I think it's going to work this way. I'm going to drop a link down below in the description box or in the comment section. Yeah, I'll just drop it in two ways. Okay. I'm actually holding my tripod to man is spinning me. So you guys are to join the Telegram group. Okay, so from there you can form a group. Or what do you think? Should I open a WhatsApp channel where everybody can join, or a WhatsApp group where everybody can join? Then we will divide ourselves. Now, another thing I noticed is that many people are interested, but it's not enough. I need you guys to engage on this video. I need you guys to engage on this video, like, comment, and share, because many people don't even know about this update. All right, it's been 2 months I've been using this shared CapCut, and guys, trust me, it's working for myself and my team. And you need somebody to guide you guys through. I mean, somebody that has been there. So I'm not charging anything. I'm not charging anything. I'll just put you guys through on how you can go about it. So I need you guys to comment on this video. I need you guys to like, share, and also most importantly subscribe. Okay. So this is how it's going to be. I'll just drop the link to the just let me know in the comment section if it should be a Telegram channel or a WhatsApp group or a WhatsApp channel or something. All right, drop your comment and I'm going to fix it, and I'm going to create one and drop it in the comment section and also in the description box. Okay, so in case if you don't know what you're talking about, I mean the video is all about, you group of 10 people or group of 8 people coming together to pay for CapCut Pro subscription. So I think the subscription is 9 plus. All right, just for transparency sake, let's just say for easy calculation, let's say 10,000. All right, so my team and I, we actually created a group. All right, so when we did that, we were able to pay 1,000 each, all right, per individual, and we are using the CapCut Pro like legitly. And now there's another update. I won't be able to share it here on YouTube. All right, so just let me know in the comment section if it should be a Telegram channel, a WhatsApp channel, or a WhatsApp group. So you guys will come together, you pay for this pro version, and each and every one of you will be able to access it. Now, many people are selling this for 20K, but for my community members, I don't, because I got the information for free. So why should I sell it for people? And it's free. All I needed to do is just to subscribe to my channel, like this video, I mean share to many, so this video can go viral and can have many people to join. All right, because it won't be good if we are able to get 10 people in this group and we are not able to get 10 people in that group. So we have to start looking for some some other people to join us. So just comment below if just comment, so let's make this video go viral, so other people can be aware that they can use CapCut Pro even without screen recording, or because the cracked one, I have the cracked CapCut Pro, but then I can't use it on my iPhone, and I use iPhone for filming and editing. But ever since I got to know about this update, I'm able to use it on my Android and on my, even on your PC. Yes, you can use it on your PC. This is my PC here. Most time I edit on my PC. So just let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section if it should be a Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, or a WhatsApp group. So I'll just create one, because why I had to do this is because you people cannot DM each other on YouTube. Do you have to start sending email to each other? No. So it will be easy if you guys can join a channel where we can come together, and I will put you guys through properly. I'm going to put you guys through properly because some people in the comment section told me they are having issues, like CapCut even had to ban them. That's because you people did not do it properly. I am going to teach you. It's been 2 months. You are, in fact, we will renew another one. I think we have paid one, two, three. We are going to pay the third one around on the 16th or so. So it's been 3 months I've been using this, and trust me guys, it works. It works. So just drop your comments, let me know how we are going to do it. But then I'm going to drop my Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the comment section. So those of you that are interested, I don't know, those of you that are interested, by the time I upload this video, you people should get it. Those of you that showed interest in that first video can actually click on the link and let's form a group. And don't forget guys, we need to make this video go viral, so we have many people to join and we'll be able to group ourselves conveniently. So that's how we are going to do it. So I think that will be all for this video. So I'll see you on the other side, Telegram, WhatsApp, or WhatsApp group. I am really ready to help you guys because what are we for? Why are we here for each other? So that's just it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the other side. Bye, guys.